something big. Let's decide together. Let's put our hands together. Stop talking. Button your lip. I was lucky. I hit the jackpot. She's very sad. She's down in the dumps. She gets angry easily. She has a short fuse. Try harder. Pull your socks up. Tell me. Spill the beans. It's very simple. It's a no-brainer. He's really happy. He's on top of the world. We are in trouble. We are in hot water. Wait a minute. Hold your horses. Don't worry. Keep your shirt on. Calm down. Cool your jets. You missed the opportunity. You missed the boat. I'll keep quiet. My lips are sealed. Let's not fight anymore. Let's bury the hatchet. She has no money. She's broke. Tell me the truth. Give it to me straight. It's too late. The ship has sailed. She's crazy. She's off her rocker. We need to start over. Let's go back to square one. She's not feeling well. She's under the weather. I don't understand. It's all Greek to me. I don't care. It's no skin of my nose. Don't be too confident. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. She started crying. She burst into tears. It's none of your business. Keep your nose out of it. She doesn't pay attention. She's in La La Land. They don't get along. They're like oil and water. She's very shy. She's a wallflower. She's avoiding me. She's giving me the cold shoulder. It was a secret. It was hush hush. It's me, Anora. It's me, Lena. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you in the next video.